Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Toncoin. So in this tutorial is going to be a straightforward step by step. I'm going to show you my screen what I'm doing. I'm going to send USDT from Binance to Bybit, then buy Ton on Bybit, and now send to my Tonkeeper. So if you are stuck on these same processes, with this video you will be able to do this stress-free. So let's just dive in. Because so many crypto mining platforms we're doing today request us to have a Ton wallet, and we're using Tonkeeper, and you need to have a Ton coin for you to pay certain gas fee. So many people are stuck. How do I now buy Ton coin and send to my Tonkeeper? I'm going to show you right away. Let's dive in. So I'm going to come to my Binance, and I want to send couple of USDT. Okay, so I will come to my Bybit. I will click at my assets. I want to get my USDT wallet address. I'll click spot. I'll look for my USDT. I have like 4 USDT here, but I want to copy my wallet address so I can send more USDT to this Bybit. We want to buy Ton, right? Okay, so I will click deposit. I will select network. They're asking me the chain or the network. I will go for Optimism because Optimism is way cheaper. I would have used Ton. Ton is free, but Ton is not listed on Binance, so I can't buy Ton on Binance, and I can't send USDT on the Ton blockchain. So I would rather go for Optimism, which I think is cheaper for me. I'll copy this wallet address of Optimism. I will come to my Binance. From Binance home, click at wallet, spot, click USDT. I have like 88 USDT here. So I will click withdraw because here we are withdrawing. Send the crypto wallet. At the fourth place, I will paste my address and select the network. I'm using Optimism, and I will put the exact amount I want to send, $14. Yes, I think I'm good with $14. I will click withdraw. You see, I will be having 13.88 USDT. Optimism, they charge me for like 12, something like that. All right, 12 cents or something like that, not more than 15 cents anyway. Confirm. Okay, after all my verification, my USDT will be landed in my Bybit account. Sent. So it's in process. It will take a couple of time. Within 5 minutes I should be having it in my Bybit account. The money has arrived in our USDT here. So yeah, the money has arrived. So what we're going to do, the next step is to convert the USDT to Ton coin so that we can transfer to our Tonkeeper, right? So we'll go to convert. We'll click convert. I will look for Ton. So I will sweep this. Okay. So I'll be converting. Let's see, I want to convert 14. They say insufficient. Okay, when I come here, what I need to do is say they say insufficient. I type, but they say insufficient, meaning the money I transferred from my Binance to my Bybit is in Funding wallet. So I need to click this up and change it. I need to click at this, then change it from Funding wallet to Spot wallet. Okay, the money has moved from this funding wallet to spot wallet. Now I can come back and type 14 USDT. You see there is no error. Then this return to BTC. I will still change it from BTC to TON, because what we are converting is TON. All right, so I will go back 14 USDT. I need TON. All right, so what I will do, I will click this quote. All right, 14 USDT will give me 1.91 TON. All right, so I'll click confirm before the time finished. It counts in seconds, so I click before the time elapsed. So completed. I've successfully converted my 14 USDT to TON. Let's go back, or let's view our assets to see if it was successful, right? Yeah, successful. I now have 1.99 TON. So from here we enter to the next step. The third step is, how do you move your TON from Bybit to your Tonkeeper or to whatever TON wallet you want to, or wherever you are sending it to. So this step you need to be very careful, because in some TON they ask you for the comment, or they call it tag, or they call it memo. In this train name you might hear it. In sending TON you need the comment or the tag or the memo. Some exchange will ask of it. Several of the exchanges will ask of it, while some will not ask. So take note of this. So we will go to our Tonkeeper. We'll go to our Tonkeeper. I think I have my Tonkeeper here. Okay, we'll go to our Tonkeeper and collect the wallet address of our Tonkeeper, because we want to send the Toncoin inside Tonkeeper. Okay, we come to our Tonkeeper to take the TON wallet address so we can send this coin. So click the TON coin and click receive, then copy. Click copy. I've copied the wallet address of my Tonkeeper. You see, in this they did not ask for tag. Then I will go to my Bybit. All right, click this TON. Then click withdraw. They are asking of, okay, first I will input the wallet address, my TON wallet address. Then the network is TON. Now in this they're asking me the tag or memo. Please make sure if a destination tag or memo is required. From where we copied from in our Tonkeeper, they didn't ask for memo. Let's go back and check. They didn't ask for memo. It's optional here. They didn't ask for it. So I will go back and I won't impute it. But in some exchange, mostly if you're taking from centralized exchange, they will ask for memo. Be careful about that. If they ask for memos, paste the memo. But in our case, they didn't ask for memo. So we'll go ahead and click withdraw amount. In this case, we want to withdraw all. Let's just click max. Let's click max. So spotting, no problem. So we'll click withdraw. After all these are correct, we'll click withdraw. All right, confirm. Now this is the last part where we need confirmation from, it is security check, where they will be sending a code to our email and also our Google Authenticator. So I go ahead and get my mail. All right, it's successful. Yeah, as you can see, successfully we've gotten our TON coin inside our Tonkeeper. So you can see it here. We have it here. You check receive. I've received 1.81 TON. This is how to buy, convert, and send TON coin to your Tonkeeper. If this video is helpful to you, I want you to subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for engaging with us. See you in our next video.